Question 16. ABCD is a trapezium. So ABCD is a trapezium. AD is parallel to BC. So this line is parallel to that line. Calculate the area of triangle BCD. We're trying to find this area here. Give your answer correct to one decimal place. How do we normally find areas of triangles? We normally use base times height divided by 2, but this time, because we don't have a perpendicular height, we're going to have to use some trig. So what formula we're using is half AB sine C. This is saying we need two sides, and we need the angle between them. So we have one of the sides, we're going to need this side and this angle. I'm going to concentrate on working out this angle first. So I've got this triangle. Let's work out this missing angle here. I know angles in a triangle add up to 180. So to work out this one, I've got 180, take away 112, take away 42, which will be that 180, take away 112 minus 42, which is 26. Then I need to find out this angle. I know that these two lines are parallel to each other. So I've got a C shape going on over here. It's co-interior angles. So this angle and this angle, all of it, will add up to 180. So I'm going to do 180, take away 112, take away the 26, which gives me 42. So this angle here is 42. And now I need to just work out what this side length is here. What could I use to find this side length? I've got this triangle that I'm going to concentrate on. I've got a side and I've got an angle opposite to it. So that's telling me that I'm going to be using my sine rule. And because I'm finding a length, I'm going to put the lengths on the top. So A over sine A is equal to B over sine B. Let's just label these. So I've got A and sine A and B over sine B. I'm trying to find what this one is. A is 7.9 over sine of 42 is equal to B, which is what we're trying to find, over sine B, which is 112, sine 112. Just need to rearrange this, dividing by sine of 112, so we need to multiply by sine 112. So 7.9 sine 112 over sine 42 is going to be equal to x. So 7.9 sine 112, and that's being divided by sine of 42, which is equal to 10.9467. Now that we've got this length, we have these two lengths and we have the angle between them. We can substitute all of them into this formula. So the area is going to be a half multiplied by A, which is 10.9467, multiplied by B, which is 15.3, multiplied by sine of C, the angle between them, sine of 42. Just type that into the calculator. So I'm going to use my ANS button from the previous answer. ANS multiplied by the 0.5 multiplied by 15.3 multiplied by sine of 42, which is 56.0344. 56.0344. We want to round it to one decimal place, so our line would go here. It's going to round down to 56.0, so 56.0, and the units were in centimeters, and it's an area, so centimeter squared. And you would have to write the 0.0 because we want it to one decimal place.